What is the best description of the contents of the passage? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph introduces two approaches of understanding the relationship between population growth and food production. The second paragraph talks about the traditional approach in which population growth is treated as the dependent variable. The third paragraph talks about a new approach of treating population growth as the independent variable, and then the passage concludes by stating that the new approach needs to be validated throughout the history of agricultural development. So overall, the passage talks about understanding the relationship between population growth and food production and provides two theories about the same. We need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, an argument confirming the shift. The passage discusses two approaches about the interrelationship between population growth and food production, and the third paragraph states that the approach taken by a new study is opposite to the traditional one. So it is correct to state that the passage discusses a shift in understanding the interrelationship, but the passage doesn't confirm this shift, because the fourth paragraph states that the new study should hold over agricultural development throughout history. So this confirmation aspect about the new study is not mentioned in the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, chronology of development of explanations. The passage refers to two explanations but doesn't talk about the chronology of these explanations. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, discussion on similarities and differences. The passage discusses two approaches and says that the traditional approach treats population growth as the dependent variable and the new study takes the opposite approach. So it can be inferred that the differences between the two approaches are mentioned, but the passage makes no suggestion about similarities. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice D, which theory is more practical and empirically correct? The passage discusses two theories but does not discuss which theory is practically correct. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice E, an attempt to describe the traditional theory and expectations from the new theory with an alternate viewpoint. Yes, this is what the mind map implies. Because the mind map indicates two approaches and the passage discusses traditional approach as well as the new approach and indicates that the new approach needs to hold over the history of agriculture development. So it is correct to state that the passage describes the traditional approach, provides the new approach with an alternate viewpoint, and indicates an expectation from the new theory. So this answer choice correctly identifies the contents of the entire passage. E is the correct answer choice.